guys, today I'm going to show you what I make. It's a creative. I bought this wooden toy and then I started to design like a car that has like food and like a restaurant car. So this is
Like
the
a food truck, right?
Food truck, yeah. And these four guys are the customers and they're also going to show. So at the bottom, the blue guys, which are the boys, will show. They come down here, and then I'll show that later. This is the football field. Yeah! Yes, this is a football field, and it's just for playing. And this is like the person or people who just watches. Here. It's like something like a guy, but it's actually a screw for like making this. Two of these guys are twins and they're also screws. Twin boys and that is twin girls. And then the coaches or the person who watches, we just say like coach. And then they'll take this out when we are ready. Take this thing out, take it away, and then they'll say start. And then they kick and don't let it like pass the line. Oops. It's going to be a little bit tricky and fun, but I don't want to move it a lot. And